Hi, welcome to VIVE Cooking School. My name is Jody. In this small video, I want to talk to you about Bouquet Garni, which is a small bundle of herbs. The main place where people go wrong with this is cutting their butcher's twine too short. So make sure you've got an adequate length of butcher's twine before you start, depending on the size of your Bouquet Garni. Okay, so here what we have is a traditional Bouquet Garni. You can see that I've got all the ingredients roughly the same size, and then what we're going to do is bundle those two all together, and then we're going to pop our celery around the outside. This acts as a little casing and it's perfect for when we tie that up. And then we're going to get our butcher's twine, holding that nice and tight, and then tying this up by wrapping it around until we get to the end. We take both ends there, and then we're going to tie that into a knot. Why this is important is if we don't want those fibrous bits floating around at the end of when we're cooking our stocks, sauces or soups, we can easily identify those and pull them out in one big bundle, pop them to the side or throw them out into the bin. Usually I pop it to the side and make sure there's enough flavoring in there first and then get rid of it. A more contemporary way of doing it without the celery would be nice and simple, just the same technique. Bundle it together, hold it nice and tight, make sure that's all bundled nice and tight together, and then you're going to wrap your string around until that's nice and firm, and then you're going to tie it off. This is why it's really important to start off with a good length of butcher's twine, otherwise you'll run out. You'll make it really hard for yourself to try and tie that together, and that won't be as easily identified, or it might come undone, and that will ruin the whole purpose of a Bouquet Garni.